Hi guys, my name's Lucas, and I've been thinking a lot about this COVID situation. I'm like everybody else. I'm at home, self-isolating, making sure that I'm doing my part to flatten the curve. But I've also been thinking about not just how to stop the spread of COVID, but been thinking about what happens after this is, we get to a point where COVID is contained. What does that world look like? So in the past 3 weeks, 4 weeks, we've been talking a lot as a society about self-isolation and washing hands and staying 6 feet apart from each other. What happens when COVID is under control? Will those norms that we built up over three weeks, will they go away? And what I mean by that is, what does exercising look like? So are people going to be comfortable sharing equipment that may or may not have some, COVID-20, COVID-21? What's that going to look like? What about sporting events and movie theaters? Are you going to be comfortable going to an NBA game, sitting shoulder to shoulder with somebody after you think about kind of the stigma that's been attached to being too close to proximity with other people? And for that matter, what about travel? What is tourism going to look like? Are people going to be comfortable getting on an airplane for 8 hours to go to a wonderful place, but be stuck in an airplane with a bunch of people for 8 hours? What's that going to look like? And over a shorter distance, what is traveling on a subway going to look like, commuting to and from work? So if you've got ideas of what the future world in COVID looks like, I'd offer you this. I'm gonna put together this conference where a virtual conference, obviously, where anybody in high school and middle school are invited to join and share your ideas. We'll take you through some design thinking processes, right out to building a presentation or narrative or whatever medium you want to share. And the nice thing is, for any of you who don't like public speaking, you don't have to do that. There are a lot of different ways to share your ideas. We'll go through that. The prize for this conference, there is none. It's just bragging rights. It's about thinking about the future, building new skills, meeting some new people, hopefully. But really, taking the energy that you have probably coping with the current COVID situation and channeling it and thinking about what the future could look like and then playing an active role in designing it. So April the 6th, we're going to do a kickoff at 12 noon Eastern. Hope you can join, and let's have some fun. Take care. Bye.